In the still of the jungle pond, three brightly colored frogs bask lazily on lily pads, their voices echoing boldly. "I once flew with the birds," the first frog proclaims, inflating his chest with pride. "I swam across the ocean," the second frog retorts, not to be outdone. "I scared a tiger just by croaking," the third frog declares, chuckling deeply. An ant, struggling under the weight of a massive crumb, pauses to deliver a stinging rebuke. Telling lies doesn't make you great. Real strength is in truth. A serene jungle pond is suddenly disrupted as a large heron descends, its arrival a stark intrusion into the tranquil scene. The frogs scatter in terror, their croaks echoing through the jungle as they desperately seek refuge from the approaching predator. In a chorus of panic, the frogs utter desperate pleas, each attempting to deter the heron with claims of poison, flight, or royal favor. "Wait, we're poisonous. We can fly, we're the king's pets." Amidst the chaos, a lone ant steps forward, offering a contrasting voice of truth and humility. "They're lying, Sir Heron, but I speak the truth. I work hard and help others." Sunlight filters through the jungle canopy, illuminating a serene pond where a heron stands motionless, its gaze fixed. The heron whispers to the ant, "You are wise, little one." Frogs, initially poised on lily pads, grow restless and attempt to flee, but their webbed feet betray them as they slip and splash into the water. The ant watches the scene unfold with a knowing smile. A gentle voice speaks with finality. "Truth may be small and quiet, but it always wins in the end."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.